So we've got Workday and then Chase. Let me just kind of show you this because I really, really like the weekly gap down or up. So remember with this beautiful gap down in Workday, yes, I'm going to get to CRM in a minute. And then we had this bounce into resistance and we came down to the 50 week. Remember the 50 week? We kind of hung out there for a little while, looked weak, we bounced and then dumped. And this went all the way back to where it broke out. And it's a gorgeous, big, huge candle expansion up and big, huge candle expansion down. So this was actually back here. You can't see it because it was really the beginning of April, but this was a recommended swing fave. And it was pretty much the only short at the time.
This short clip is presented by Club. Club provides access to Samantha LaDuc and her team of professional macro and micro traders, analysts, and educators. Club is ideal for active traders, investors, and institutions who want Samantha's best-of-breed market timing calls across all asset classes and timeframes like chase, swing, and trend. Get the trade before it happens. Sign up to Club now and get full access to daily live trading room with Samantha LaDuc, Slack trading desk with detailed analysis and trades, custom trade support when you need it, and much more. For more information, visit www.LaDucTrading.com/club.
I don't mean the shorter duration semi-pullback for 3 weeks, but I'm talking about a swing, a trend reversal break. So look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. Breaks down. Bollinger Band starting to open up to the downside. We get to the 200. Very hard to short in the 200 because what it typically does is it snakes around for a while before it determines its next direction. Workday gap down, and obviously it's still like coming right back into this 206.68. So now look at that formation on a weekly, and you can see a little bit of the parallel with CRM. So focus on this one before going into the pre-market. See this beautiful gap down, bounce into resistance, beautiful, beautiful bounce into resistance right here. And that was basically, okay, we're sitting here on this 270 area, which happens to be the 30 week. But the point is we've done this gorgeous gap down. We've bounced into resistance. We're waiting for earnings. I have no edge with earnings, no question. But it was absolutely like, it's gonna have a big move before or after earnings, but this thing is busted. And sure enough, right down, remember this big expansion candle? We're going to see that big expansion candle on the downside. 226.83 happens to be a monthly support level. Yes, we could have a little bit of puts monetized. Those who took it, congrats. It's obviously one of its biggest moves ever. In fact, I just read something. One of its 5 largest moves in its entire history. Anyway, that is a trend reversal with a gap down, and it's going to look just like this, down to 226.83 with an overshoot, and I have it in white. So 208 and change, 210. CRM, and that 270 is now down into this 226. Can you see over here? So I'm going to put the number 6, which is the field, all these weekly support lines right here. So here we are, hanging out. I still don't think that's going to be enough to support it, by the way, but that's where we are. Really beautifully. And of course, CRM is a huge drama at 1666 drawdown. All right, so let's take a look. So CRM is suffering. I don't think it's going to be easy to hold that 226.83. I would not be surprised if we get some more selling. And congratulations on your CRM short. Now is rolling over. This is, I hate that I don't have a voice. This is ServiceNow breaking 721. Keep it below 721 if you are short. Has a good look down to this 50, but keep in mind, here's the 200. Now looks like it's very much headed into this neck of the woods, 678, 659. Workday, we just talked about this short. Bingo. I forget who's been tracking this one most closely, but this is, I don't have anything else underneath. I'd have to put on some more price targets. So this was it. This Workday gap down, rollover. Again, this took months before it came all the way back to the September. What is this? November 1st, Fed pause and yell and Yahtzee. It took all of these months to come all the way back, but that's it. So will CRM do the same? I really think it will. I really think it will. I love these big, beautiful patterns that are just gorgeous. And then you gap down, complete fail, 268. Yes, this will digest. This is September 2023 high. This was also the breakout. It will digest here. But this is November. Fed pause and yell and Yahtzee. Would not be surprised at all if after this digestion period, it rolls over more. CRM, now that's gorgeous, right? Look at this. Right through the 226.83, as expected. I'm actually surprised we didn't get a little bit more pause, but doesn't matter. This was after hours. Little pre-market action and below 230 on its way to 214, 218. Now, as expected, down to the 50-week. Yes, it's through the 200, but this is much more strong. So this is now support. This kind of 660 is support. Breaking 678, overshooting to the 50-week. See the Bollinger Band? Keltner, I would say overshoot to 660, and then we'll see. IGV getting sold. IGV has lots of CRM. It has lots of now. I haven't even, okay, now just hit. Come on, a little bit more. 662. I just see 660, and I think it will pause. Pause. Microsoft, big hit on the CRM numbers as well. CRM, what's price target? 226.83, 218, on its way to 208.
Subscribe to LaDuc Trading YouTube channel for more live trading room recap videos and other content.